In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Facebook Pixel with WooCommerce on WordPress. By the end, your store will be ready to send accurate conversion and shopping events back to Facebook so your ads can optimize properly and you can track performance. Start by opening your WordPress website and logging into your dashboard with an account that has administrator access. From the dashboard, go to Plugins, then choose Add New. In the search bar on the top right, type Facebook. In the results, look for the plugin called Facebook for WooCommerce. This is the official connector that links your WooCommerce store to your Facebook tools, including the Facebook Pixel, sometimes also called the Meta Pixel. Click Install Now, and when the installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, you'll see new options in your WordPress menu. Head to Marketing on the left-hand side and select Facebook. This opens the setup screen that guides you through the connection. Before you continue, make sure you're already logged into your Facebook profile in the same browser. Being logged in prevents connection errors and makes it easier to select the right assets. On the setup screen, you'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account to WooCommerce. Approve the permissions so WooCommerce can send product and event data to Facebook. When asked to choose a pixel, select the Facebook pixel you want to use for this store. If you manage more than one business, double-check that you're choosing the pixel tied to the correct ad account. It's common to have multiple pixels, so take a moment to confirm the name and ID match what you use in your ads. Continue following the prompts on your screen to finish the setup. The wizard may guide you through connecting your catalog and confirming data sharing settings. Keep the defaults if you're unsure. You can always adjust them later in the plugin settings. Let the process complete without closing the tab. If you see any warnings about permissions, accept them so the plugin can track standard events like view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. When the setup finishes, you'll return to your site with confirmation that the connection is live. If any step takes a moment, be patient. Initial syncing can take a little time, especially for larger product catalogs. That's it. You've opened your WordPress site, installed and activated Facebook for WooCommerce, gone to Marketing and Facebook, confirmed you're logged in, selected your Facebook pixel, and followed the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Your WooCommerce store is now connected and ready to send events to Facebook.